I represent, along with my colleagues here, a company which is the largest stainless steel producer in the country. And we chose to keep this session not in Make in India, but in supply chain, just because we are pretty sure that every Indian company is capable of supporting defense or aerospace or any strategic sector requirements. The only hindrance or only challenge is in supply chain. I would like to thank Colonel Rubin, who rightly pointed out the challenges in front of us. Apart from that, as a backroom boy or steel industry, we also feel there are certain lacks, in the openness of the requirements in terms of standards, in terms of actual requirements, and we would really like, the companies or organizations who are into the manufacturing or development of these sort of products to come openly and interact with the private sector. As the caption says, Jindal Stainless, we are basically end-to-end solution provider to defense, aerospace, and strategic sectors for their material requirements in specialty steels or stainless steels. Would like to dwell upon my company, my organization a bit before I really get into the nitty-gritties. We are India's largest stainless steel and specialty steel company. We are basically, integrated steel company, and we start from mining of chromium ore to the finishing facilities of flat product as well as long products. We make stainless steel as well as specialty products. We are backed up by highly experienced and energetic team to support sustainability and growth in current and new markets. We have a robust distribution system in the form of service centers and then in the form of sales network. We are the domestic market leader, having more than 50% share in specialty steels and stainless steel. The group was set up in 1970, early 1970, and it is part of O.P. Jindal Group, $18 billion O.P. Jindal Group. And the journey so far is we really have grown big in flat stainless steel products. And recently for 1 year, we have started venturing into long products and into the new product developments. One of the major benefits working with us is reaching the end users. We have a workforce where through the network of different companies, we are trying to work with our customers to meet their requirements exactly. These are the network of the companies we represent: Jindal Stainless Steelways, Iber Jindal Spain, Jindal Architecture, Jindal JSL Lifestyles, PT Jindal Indonesia. These are essentially some of the manufacturing units which are basically backing up our manufacturing as well as service plan. This is the global footprint of our organization. You can see we are globally present, and we are there to support any developmental efforts as well as requirements. On the domestic front, you can see we have 3 major manufacturing facilities. One is at north of India, that is just beside Delhi, Hisar. One is in Odisha, that is our greenfield project, which has about 3 years back it has been commissioned, and another one is Vizag. These are some of the photographs of our facilities. Just to build confidence, yes, there are big mills to support the campaigns of Make in India and requirements by the strategic sectors. These are essentially the process routes. We felt that we are going to give you the hands out as well. I really don't want to take you into the nitty-gritties, but this really shows that we start with the ore or the basic raw material, and we end up with the finished material. There are some of the pictures just to show you at the Hisar plant, rolling mills and steel melting shops. These are some of the pictures of our service centers. These are the product range: slabs, blooms, strips, cold rolled coils. In fact, we make coin blanks and one of the biggest suppliers to Government of India. These are the flat products we manufacture in our companies across India and Indonesia. Slabs, blooms, ingots, and there are specific sizes meeting all the requirements of the industries, and different finishes in terms of hot roll plates and coils to e-coils. This is an innovative product which is from a hot rolled coil only you get a finish of cold roll. Cold rolled coils, cold rolled precision strips, and razor blade stainless steel. By the way, we are one of the largest razor blade stainless steel producer in the world, and we supply to all the big names like Gillette, Bic, and Schick. These are some of very popular grades which we manufacture, and some of these grades are being used in strategic sectors. And this is, when I say austenitic types, all 300 series is covered here. And some of these special grade is like 301 in different temper, quarter hard, half hard, full hard. It goes into various applications, right from automotive to the medical and all very high stringent requirement components: 304, 316, 317, 321, 347, and 309, 310S, and high grade stainless steels. These are, I won't say these are the cheaper varieties of stainless steel, but these are chrome, manganese, nitrogen steels and stainless steels. And these are the backbone of the Indian stainless steel economy. Jindal is a pioneer of, our company is a pioneer of developing this and distributing this. And we have almost 10 varieties, 10 grades to offer in these, in this variety, which is applied in different aspects of daily life, right from utensil to various other uses. This is ferritic types, essentially 409 for automotive, 409 for rail coach, 430 for kitchen utensils, to the 1 rupee or 2 rupee coin, 403 in some of the defense applications it is applied, 410S, 439, 436, 441, essentially the automotive products. And we do manufacture some of the martensitic grades, 410, 420, 415, and JBS. We are big into duplex and super austenitic, and in last few years, we have come out very well with the development of new grades in the duplex family and supplied to Indian industry. And it has come up as a major help for the Indian industry as an import substitute. And all the grades are there of duplex stainless steel where we can really support Indian industry. The backbone of whatever we do or whatever we offer is the R&D facilities and the R&D expenses we incur or we do. We have, our R&D is, in fact, I would like to share it, is led by Padam Shri Dr. L.K. Singhal. He is the head of our R&D. And there are various developmental activities in the past which were taken by research and development. And you would find stainless steel for nuclear power plant applications, stainless steel for railways, razor blade stainless steels, ferritic steels for petrochemical sectors, stainless steel for auto sector, exhaust system and brakes, etc. The new developments are 15 CDV6 for rocket canisters. We are working very hard with some of the defense organizations. 17 4PH and 15 5 pH for aerospace segments, high nitrogen stainless steels for ballistic applications. Again, we are working with defense. UNS 32750 for submarine rocket launchers. These are some of the projects we are working hand in hand with our defense organization, and we are trying to develop in-house these grades, and we are trying to come up to the expectations of our defense partners. These are some of the standard certifications we have which are required to supply our material. You will find any normal organization will have this. Besides that, we have some special certifications like AD, PED, and CPD, which are very difficult to get. This is one of the recent innovation we did. Our normal product is limited up to 1.25 meters, that is 1250 millimeter. With certain in-house innovation, this product of 1250, we could really able to convert it into plates of width up to 4000 millimeter, 4 meter. And this, we are working very closely with the nuclear fraternity as well as defense organizations. We are offering this in-house. Till now, any plates more than 1650 are being imported. So this is a recent development where we feel that it will be beneficial for the entire, all the organizations which are into this wider plates business. This is again a new foray. I would like to develop on this as well. About a year back, we started with the force bars and roll bars, and we got a very prestigious order from NFC and IG Kalpakkam, IG Car, and concluded this first order and got recognized for our product. This is the story, success story of what we got from IG Car. This is the second success story I was just sharing with you. These are the ring forgings. And this proves JSL is capable to supply ring forgings and force bars as per the requirement of defense and nuclear application. This is essentially a grade, duplex grade, which is called UNS 32750. And we have this capability of producing these type of rings in any other grades as per the requirement of the defense. And what is unique about JSL is their triplex route. Triplex is arc furnace, AOD, and VOD route, which we have, which is very unique in India. Nobody else has this kind of route.